Hi, today I'm sharing a new page in my mini envelope art journal. I'm using products from Colourcraft today and stamps from rubber dance. I start by adding some soft foam relief paste from Colourcraft to the pages. Before I do this, I primed the pages with aqua ground, just because I used normal coloring paper in this book. So I think it's better when I go on top with Brushos to prime the pages first. The paste needs a bit of time to dry, and after that I add some texture stamping with the round and circle stamp set from Rubber Dance. And this is the old book page stamp. Now it's time to add some color, and I use Brusho powders. This is sea green. And I sprinkle the powders onto my page and spritz some water on top. While the pages are drying, I stamped 2 butterflies from Rubber Dance. It's from the Butterfly Trio set, and I use Versamark ink, and I will emboss them with white opaque embossing powder. I dilute gesso with water to add some white splatters to the page. I use the Colourcraft liquid metallics to pimp up these wildflower die cuts from Tim Holtz. I add a thick coat of the metallic paint on top. I add different Brusho red tones to get a rusty effect. Finally, I add all the embellishments to the page. I cut out the butterflies and I use glossy accents to glue everything down. This is the finished page. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumb up if you like the video. Bye!